It's the mango season, so let's make a mango recipe which is very tasty, mango milk guides. So first we will cut the mangoes into pieces and then blend it using a mixer grinder. Then in a pan we will boil some milk, add the mango puree, add some cornflour, sugar and custard powder. Custard powder is optional. If you have, you can add, else you can skip. It just enhances the taste. Now in a mold we will place the butter paper and we'll add the mixture. But make sure to keep the container ready because the mixture starts setting very quickly. We will set the mixture for 5 to 6 hours in refrigerator and then cut and serve. You can eat it simply or you can coat it with some milk powder or desiccated coconut. It tastes so yum. You must give this recipe a try. You will love it. And thank you for watching the video.